Hi. So I'm Tom from Hangar 13 Games. I'm here with Martin Sobek, who is our lead graphics programmer, and Lukáš Komo, our HR specialists, and we are developers of Mafia 3 under the 2K. So what we would like to show you here today, we have a booth here and a workshop, and we would like to provide to you the insights to some challenges in the programming of the real-time graphics games, because it's rather challenging in such a dynamic environment where the user is controlling the camera and so on. Then we will have a showcase with the breakdown of the frame. We will show what buffers do we use and what it takes to compose the whole frame in our game. And then finally, we will have Martin Sobek to talk about our reflection system, which is rather unique. And I invite you to see our booth and our workshop to see how we do that. And I guess I have a little more time than I thought I will have, which doesn't happen usually during the fast forwards. So, yeah, see you there.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Miro from Konami Brothers, and I'm here. Martin invited me to show you the latest game. Yeah, okay. And this is like a video game that we've released last year. It's basically about like these little fights on a Rubik Cube-like world. And yeah, I don't know, you can come up to the tower and try it out also with some other games that we have. And yeah, this game got really successful because it was one of the first games that used AR kits. So it was like Apple's favorite that year because only like 3 games made it, I think, at the release date of the AR kit. Yeah, you can see it here in the action. And you can also try the augmented reality mode. I'm not sure what to, yeah. The other 2 games that Konami Brothers have are primarily 2D, so they're not really fitting for this conference. And yeah. Oh yeah, like if any of you guys is developing games, I can maybe give you some advice or whatever if you come over. This is like on GDC, where it was selected like best mobile game of the show last year, and I got really lucky because Unity invited me over to present the game there, and the game got really popular. And also there's like this show called NCIS, I don't know if you guys know it or not, and the game was actually featured on the criminal drama show or whatever that was. And yeah, this is the Frost, the other game which you can also try out. Thank you.
So, hello, I'm Thomas Kacel from VR Group. My colleague is on a booth. We are from VR Group. We are a leading Czech company. We are providing training solutions for army, crisis management, security forces. It's our 20th year on the market. We are doing air simulators, ground simulators, live simulations. We are doing many types of simulators like full mission trainings, tactical trainings, many aircrafts, which you can see here. We are here because we are developing our own image generator. Our goal is scalability, so we scale from one GPU to the multiple GPUs to projection screens. We are rendering massive terrains with atmospheric scattering, time of day, clouds, and so on. We are also developing a very massive terrain databases. It's 1,000 square kilometers. We are processing geographic data. We are using our own generator for this data because no other tools weren't able to process such a high amount of stuff. We brought here some simple simulator of one aircraft we simulate. So come here to fly and check our Vulkan renderer. It's a prototype. So you will see many problems we have with this prototype. So don't be shy to talk about the problems with us, and We would like to hear your feedback on our work, because this is the first time we are presenting not in front of the industry, but the general public.
Thank you. So hi, I'm Andy. With our development team in Bratislava, we have created a powerful 3D engine from scratch. Vectory is a browser-based online 3D tool for VR, 3D printing, design, and games industry. Anyone, even without previous experience, can create beautiful 3D designs like these in minutes for free and without installing anything, so it works in a browser. Think of Vectory as the Google Docs for 3D content creation. I'm glad to introduce at this Computer Graphics Expo some unreleased features, which are 3D assets libraries, where you drag and drop GLTF and other standard formats. Material library with PBR support, and lighting, HDR environments, and rendering that will blow your mind. You gotta see that. Because we are browser-based, we added real-time collaboration, so multiple people can join one project at the same time. And next time, maybe when you create some game, you might be using Vectory with your colleagues. And I'd like to invite you to our booth to see Vectory in action. Try it for yourself, have a talk about maybe B2B opportunities, and maybe find some new colleagues. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Peter Blaškovič. I'm from Escape Motions. It's a small company here in Slovakia, like 1 hour north from this castle. We are 9 people there, and we are making software for artists, for painters, for creative people. One of them is Flame Painter, is this one. You can make this kind of organic effects. Another one is Emberlight. It's for kind of abstract animations and design. So you can make very nice abstract art and animations. And our main software is Rebel. Rebel is a painting software. Why it is interesting? Because of the watercolors. We got many awards and nominations because of the simulation. It's a fluid simulation which runs behind. And this year we are releasing a new version. It's next Monday, version 3, and we made a better simulation, beautiful drips, so you can blow the water, you can dry the water, and it's very enjoyable. So if you like and have fun with painting, you can join us here in the booth, where we can show you how it works. It's pretty amazing, yeah, and we are a small company, as I said. We have very good time together. So if you are a developer or a programmer and you think to make these kind of things, you can join us. You will also join our dog in the company, which has a good time, as you see, with us and our sport activities here. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Andrei. I'm the CEO of Figurama. We're an interactive experience platform for all the hardware platforms you can think of. So what we're creating is a universal tool for 3D artists to make interactive experiences. And right now we're developing this content ourselves so that we can populate the platform. And what it's about is that for us, interactive medium is like the next step from passive media, and it can be just as useful as video is useful for anything, and interactive experiences are the next thing. So that's what we're focusing on. This is a kind of like a demo of what we created as a prototype experience, but we're now developing the next version of the app, which will have which will be like a commercial product. And for this, we're also building a team in Bratislava, which is already like 10 members. And to make this possible, when we were using 3D scanning to produce a large database of assets from which other people can then create this kind of scenes. And yeah, if you want to talk about how we can work together, then we're really happy to see you at our booth, right at the entrance to the castle. So that's it from me.
Hello, I'm Martin, and a few months ago I founded a company which is called Procedural Design, and it's based on my research work. The main product is called Michelangelo, which is a novel platform, which is the first intelligent platform which learns to generate large virtual worlds for you. So this building, 2,500 square meters with over 50,000 assets, has been generated by Michelangelo in a very short time. I will show you the timings a little bit later. Michelangelo basically solves the problem of work efficiency for 3D artists, for movies, for games, where mass production of content is necessary. Each result of Michelangelo is unique because it supports a lot of variations. It's based on a procedural engine. So we address mainly 3D artists, which are independent or small studios. They have great visions, but they have problems to scale them. And Michelangelo helps them because it connects them. So collaboration is basically our main goal. So about the timings. This small office takes 7 minutes to do it by hand. Michelangelo, 14 seconds. And the building you just saw, in 5 hours. We needed 5 hours to do it by hand. 100 times faster with Michelangelo. You can meet our team at the second floor. It's Galina and me. And we are looking for our new colleagues. So we are hiring, and this is the skills, this is the minimal annual salary. If you are interested, just come by and talk with us. We'll be happy if you will be joining us. Thank you.
It's loading. Computer vision. Okay. Hello, I'm Martin from Capturing Reality, and I would like to present you Reality Capture, our flagship. This is it. What you are looking at is actually modern photogrammetry in action. 3D models creating using photos from the devices like you already have, like your camera or laser scans, which you don't probably have. But it's very simple, it's very accurate, it's automatical, and it creates 3D meshes, textured 3D meshes. Wow. It should be there. Reality capture is worldwide recognized. It's actually very famous, worldwide recognized due to its amazing speed, unbeatable accuracy, and actually it's superior to any other competitor 5 years in a row, actually since the beginning, and it has many applications from cultural heritage, computer games, movie industry, virtual reality, augmented reality, and we are here at the expo. So come to talk to us, right? We will show you the technology, how it works, what's behind, and we will teach you in our workshop how to use our software to create 3D models. And I will personally show you how to use our software developer kit to create your own solution using this amazing technology. And also, if you want to become a part of the team which is changing this industry from the scratch, come to us and talk to us. That's it. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, my name is Thomas from Plutonium. At first we developed a best 3D camera in the world. That's why the company was started. Actually, it was 6 years ago that I presented here my paper at the student conference. From that time it took maybe 4 years to really build this. What you can see is really the best 3D camera with the highest resolution currently on the market. And you can see the demo, the ground level, and it's a second public occurrence of the camera, so you can be one of the first people alongside the people from Apple, Google, and so on that see the technology already. So we can see very high detail, even if it's in very rapid motion. But we don't stop there. We are also working to give robot eyes and understanding of the surrounding. So this is also our work. We are focusing on industrial automation and smart robotics, and we are teaching robots to grab objects, to localize them, to navigate them around obstacles. And in the future, our main goal is to create robot that smart, that it can work with handling of objects and doing different stuff without programming. So that's our main future, that really harness the power of vision to really create robots that are able to just do the job. So thank you very much. We are also looking for new colleagues and have a look at our booth at the ground level. Thank you.
So hi, my name is David Zelinko. I'm responsible for sales and marketing in a small company called Malleus. At Malleus, we do two simple things. We are analyzing customer behavior in the stores with the technology. So we can define exactly the pet of the customer in the store, and also we can show you the age, gender, emotions of your customers. And in the last year, we helped our clients increase revenue by 6% just by using these analytics. And at our booth, you can explore our demography module and our browsing module, and also we can show you some of our dashboards, and you can meet the guys from development and production team who is sitting in the back, and also feel free to take some materials from our booth. Our UVP is a real-time collecting data from different kind of sensors like Wi-Fi analytics, small text that we are putting into the baskets, or cameras. Our technology is the latest and smart technology, and also we are giving like consultancy to our customers. And here you can see the store layout of the store, and by our technology you can adjust this layout by using our data. So it means that it can bring you like 20% more in your revenue, because you will see where are your customers spending most of the time. And we got one mission here to find young talents, so if you think that you are good at marketing, sales, or development, just feel free to come to our booth. Thank you.
So, yeah, I'm Peter from Nanographics, and yeah, we learn about the molecules and about the nano world every day, some new stuff. But when we want to show it to somebody, we have to use illustration because it's too small for using microscope. But like, look at this guy, like, worst job ever. So it's very hard to illustrate these things, and that's why we made a software which does that automatically, and which uses algorithms from video games to show millions of atoms at the same time to display biological phenomena that we want to learn about and teach about. And yeah, that's why we made this software which can do that. And yeah, I'm just waiting for the other slide because like I enjoy the, yeah, there it is, yeah. I was waiting for the wait, there's more moment, and that's the fact that we also put it in VR. So we actually brought this VR thing here with us, and you can try it out yourself. Here's a little video how it looks like, but it looks much better if you have it on your face and then you're immersed in it. Come check out our booth. Yeah, it's, if you like biology, it's very interesting, I think. Thank you.
Here we go. I'm Michael from Veras Research Center. We are located in Vienna, and yeah, we just moved to a new office recently, or yeah, like nearly a year ago. It's quite beautiful there. We've meanwhile become like 80 researchers, and yeah, that's why we also have lots of projects, and I can't show you all of them, but this is one of the things that we're doing. That's visualization and reconstruction of really large 3D point clouds, and one of our members is here as well who is doing that, Attila. Then another thing that we're doing is real-time interactive lighting design. This is actually used by lighting designers, and this is really, you get immediate feedback, you get really nice graphics and visualizations. Then what we're also doing is decision support in quite a lot of scenarios here, especially for flooding. We also have got a person here, Silvana, and she'll present a paper here as well. And of course, VRVIS is also doing virtual reality and also augmented reality. And even further, we are going to demonstrate at the booth together with Laura, who is also giving a talk here and presenting a paper. We are presenting basically touchable images for blind and visually impaired people. So, and yeah, you can check this out at the booth. Really try out to touch those images that we created. And we're also offering quite a lot of jobs and interns and diploma theses for all kinds of students. And also, if you want to know more, contact us, and yeah, we'll be there. Thanks.